Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome to another episode on the dates series. Today, like I said the last time, we shall be learning the use of the date stones. Here I have my date stones which I've been storing for quite a while now. Whenever I make use of dates, either eating or for any recipe, I usually keep these stones. So here I have some of them. They are about 25 or thereabout. So I'm just giving it a wash to remove any dirt or dust from it. So here it is. I'm done washing it. Yes, so what we are going to be learning how to do with this stone today is coffee. So here are the date stones we shall be using. I've washed them. The first time I learned about this particular use of date stone, that there is something called date coffee, I was like, wow. I was going to give it a try. Here I have my washed date lined in baking tray. Here they are in the oven, baking on medium heat. Here is it after about 10 to 15 minutes. You see? So I took one earlier to check if it is okay. It's the one Aisha is pounded. Let's check it out. So this is it. It's poundable now. You can crush it. Though I'm not going to be using a mortar for this. Want to help me? Help me. This breaking step was to help my blender so that I don't overwork it. So go ahead now and blend. Yeah. Alhamdulillah, this is it, guys. It smells like the normal coffee. You can see it. You should go ahead and make some now and see. Before I achieve this texture, I had to blend them a couple of times, like 2 to 3 times. The blender I used don't have a higher capacity. So if you have a higher capacity blender, you might not need to go back and forth with it. But even at that, after about 2 to 3 blending, it gave me this smooth powder. I have water on fire now. I want to use to try it out. This will be my first time trying out this date coffee. It smells just like the normal coffee, but the taste is not bitter. It's not bitter. And you can see the color actually is like the normal coffee brown. I also want to do a little bit of experiments. Let me see. I love to always go a little bit extra. So I want to add in some sugar, granulated sugar, and mill it so that we'll have a 2-in-1 coffee. You have your sugar mixed with your coffee already. So let's do it and see how it turns out. You can still see a little bit of the sugar granules. Are you seeing it? This is so interesting, Mashallah. It's not as bitter as the normal coffee, and the sugar I added is okay. You can go ahead and add in a little bit more because I didn't add plenty initially. So you can also sweeten it any other sweetener of your choice. This date coffee has so many health benefits. I've even had read online from a reliable health website that also help in diabetic situations and so many other health issues. So you can read that up and see if it has any peculiar benefits it could offer you or a family member. Someone told me about last 2 weeks, a friend actually, that the seed is also used for whole. That is kajal, if made for lining the eyes, that is good. So I never knew of that too. So that's one of the other benefits I know of now. So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching till now. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, Cook with HHM, do that right now. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and share with your fellow friends and foodies too. Please support us to grow this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing our videos. It helps to promote our channel, and it's also a sort of motivation for us here on Cook with HHM. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you next week, inshallah. Here is next week on the channel. You would love this so much. Syrup as a jam for my bread, and I also flavored my tea here with the syrup. It's going to go down now, inshallah.